She sits at the next table. All the words you've left in my mouth running dry as well.
So it's so good to have you back on the show. You are, of course, one of our favourites. And now, aside from music, skateboarding is one of your passions, and you've combined the two today. Fill us in on your tour that you're doing.
I'm doing a tour of 9 different skate kind of shops and also like skate parks as well for the next 2 weeks all over the UK.
Amazing. You're kicking it off in Dublin, of course.
Of course.
Because we're class, of course. So the last time we had you on the show, you were talking about your new album that you had started recording. I think you're only 3 weeks in. So where are you on that now?
Finished. It's ready to go. Yeah.
Are you dying to get it out and for people to hear it?
I've kind of like, whenever you finish it and you have to complete and you spend so much time on it, you're kind of like, how can I leak this?
Yeah. Oh, really? Don't leak it. Don't leak
it's like, back in your head, it's like, do not, that's a terrible idea.
Terrible idea.
And so deep I just...
Tell me about the sound, and has it changed at all in comparison to the EPs?
I think like it's definitely introduced like a new aspect. Like, I've got some strings and stuff on like Sea Creatures, which was just released, and yeah, there's like kind of a new direction in some of the songs. Like, some of them are a bit more like drummy and bassy, which is interesting.
Now tell me, are you a complete control freak in the recording studio? You're like, no, don't do that, I want to keep it the way it is, or are you kind of open to opinions?
Well, like, I'd really trust Tommy, who's the guy I record with, and like, so I think we're both as control freaky as each other. It's like, oh, can you do that? Like, because I don't know actual technical terms, but it's like, can you do that? For a bit, and like trying to describe it with words to each other.
Your album is going to be out in June, isn't that right?
June the 1st.
So what's the name of the album?
The album is called Before We Forgot How to Dream.
Ah, tell me about the name.
The actual name comes from a line in the last, well, there's a hidden track. So the almost last song, which is called Oh Brother, and it's a line, and I just thought it defined kind of, you know, because the album's been written since I was like 13, 14, so it was like, I think that kind of defined like growing up and the collection of work that I'd created up to now.
So what are the biggest things that you're looking forward to over the next 6 months then?
We're actually going to Australia and doing a string of shows there in April, so yeah. It's just so busy. I'm really looking forward to everything.
You're globe-trotting. You're going everywhere.
Yeah, it's good.
Is there one place in particular that you're most looking forward to?
I'm really looking forward to America, because I feel like it's been a long time coming.
As well, now, the last year, kind of, particularly Irish music has been doing really well all over the world. And has there been any favourites of yours?
I think like the Stripes are just lethal. I think they're doing a good job.
They're great guys.
Yeah, they're cool. Codeline as well. They're the kind of obvious ones though.
Would you like to do any collaborations with these guys?
Oh, I don't know. I'm so like iffy about collaborations in general. So I don't know. I think the only people I would like actually properly collaborate with would be like, if the opportunity ever came up, like Leonard Cohen or something like that.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Well, you never know when you're in America. It could happen. It could happen.
Doubtful, but
so thank you so much for chatting to us, and best of luck with the tour. You'll have to come back to us then after that.
yeah, I will.
Cheers. Thank
you.
you.